Cookie Decorating 101. Now that we've learned some basic techniques, we're gonna get a little bit more advanced, but still a beginner process. We're gonna make a nice little grid on here. So you start by having your flooded cookie, and you're gonna take a contrasting color. In this case, I'm using yellow against purple, and you're gonna draw some nice, even, straight lines across the cookie. The key to this is just to keep pressing on the piping bag nice and evenly. Once you finish one direction, turn the cookie and go the other direction. Keep in mind that this is free form, so each cookie is going to look a little different, and that's okay. And make sure that you finish off the edges of the cookie so it looks complete. Don't just work in the center of the cookie. Once you finish your grid, you can leave it right there, still cute as a button, or you can take another contrasting color and finish it off with little tiny dots right on the corner of every square. I personally like to use no more than 3 colors on my cookies, but again, this is your preference, so as you explore sugar cookie baking and decorating, you come up with your own style, your own colors, your own decorations that work for you. And once you finish with these dots, this cookie is ready to go and be dried for at least 24 hours so that the royal icing is completely hardened before you stack the cookies in an Easter basket.